Poran, what was the trigger of that heightened concern when you contacted me after watching the interview with Sir David?
It was those extreme weather events that we experienced this year. Sir David was saying that actually climate changes are happening 70 years earlier than predicted.
On the country of Vietnam, 95% of the landmass of the country under seawater in just 30 years' time. As Greenland ice is now melting also with a positive feedback, sea levels will rise by 7.5 meters. I'm talking about the global average sea level rise. The map of the world dramatically changed. In that permafrost is a vast amount of methane. There's enough methane there that as the permafrost melts, global temperatures will rise 20 degrees centigrade.
We have lots of built stuff that has all been built on the assumption that our climate is stable. So any infrastructure we're putting up now is built for what's in the past. For every dollar we spend on risk reduction, we save about $11 in damages.
Namibia is a very semi-arid area. We have a persistent drought, water scarcity, and we really lack like fresh water in Namibia. I just came here to COP because I felt that my government was not doing enough to protect its people, and they're trying to put profits over people. I mean, we already do not have water, and the little water that we have, they're trying to drill for oil.
Am I seeing any sign that we're going to bend the emissions curve? Well, the rhetoric's been ramped up, but no, I don't think we're likely to bend the emissions curve. Every country basically aims at net zero. It has undermined the need for immediate and pressing action. Then you go to the UK. We're the world leader on climate change. 44% reduction since 1990, except for that excludes aviation and shipping emissions. And it also excludes our imports and exports. Then it's a 15% reduction since 1990, 0.5% a year. You unpick the rhetoric, and what you find underneath it is just a vacuous, empty space. The climate and the temperature responds to physics, chemistry, and biology, not ephemeral economics, not short-term politics. Let's reduce emissions. Let's aim for 1.5 to 2 degrees centigrade, ideally 1.5, but let's plan for 4. The top 1% of emitters are responsible for twice as much as the bottom 50%.
A lot of attention should be given to creating awareness to what the climate crisis is, and then maybe people will be able to better adapt.
That I think the human brain isn't particularly well suited for assessing catastrophic risk. Won't hit me, I'm an optimist, and until it hits us, only then do we act.
And frankly, unless we do these things, we're cooked.